Welcome to the tour of our SIP gardens. SIP garden beds are raised garden beds that are self-watering. We started using them last year for the first time and really liked it. We moved it to a new location by our new duck aviary here, so a couple people have asked for a tour, so I said I would give a tour. This is one that we've just started to assemble, these two actually both. This is a 4x4 garden bed. These here are 2x6 boards cut into 4-foot lengths. These over here is a 4-foot length on one side and a 10-foot length on the other, because that size worked for us. This is 3 of them going up, so it's about 15 or 16 inches tall. On the side here, we will put these supports on all of them. This one still needs a few more. This one needs all of them. So if you come over here to the one from last year that we're reassembling right now, it is fully stained, which those will get stained as well. And it's got the pressure treated wood, but the plants don't touch the pressure treated wood at all, because in the inside here we put a nice thick pond liner, and the pond liner is what helps it work to keep the water in. In the bottom of it we put this drainage tile, and the drainage tile has the holes in it, and it also has weed fabric at the ends, and then we use duct tape to hold it onto the end, just so that dirt doesn't go in the inside. Okay, we fill it up, it'll nicely fill up, and we will eventually put some topsoil mixed with some bark mulch, mixed with some vermiculite for lightness, as well as sphagnum peat moss, and that works really well. It works as a reservoir because we added a piece of PVC here with we use some E6000 glue, just some good strength glue, along with a pop bottle top that's been cut open. And then this piece down here will go into the one side of the drainage tile. And this one has holes in it. Some people cut it at an angle. So we put this in, and then we tape it in place. And we'll put new tape on that so it holds really well. And then we'll be able to fill that up with the hose until the bottom is all filled up. And you'll know it's filled up because on this other side over here, we put a drainage hole. And this drainage hole is a piece of PVC that goes in, and the water will always be at or below this level of this drainage hole, because whatever's too high will come out. On the inside here, we have one of it that it goes into over here, on a different length of drainage tile as it fills up with. So it has to kind of get filled up all in the bottom before it overflows. And then on the inside here, we cut into the pond liner. This is the only place the pond liner is cut on the inside for this drainage hole here. And that will keep it nicely in place there. It's got a nice drainage overflow. That way we don't have to water it every day necessarily. The rain can water it and it will be fine. We can leave for several days or a week depending on the weather, and it will be just fine. So that's our SIP gardens, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.